and gentlemen, have you ever found yourself surrounded by a sea of chairs, taking up valuable space and costing you a pretty penny? It is time to rethink your seating solutions and bring some innovation into your life. Welcome to the world of the Plateau Chair, the ultimate answer to all your seating needs. Just take a look around your space. You will notice there are far more chairs than people. It is not only costly to set up chairs for each table, but it also makes your space appear smaller. Why clutter your space when you can keep it sleek and clean? That is where the Plateau Chair comes in. Say goodbye to traditional chairs and hello to the future of seating. The Plateau Chair is not just a folding chair, it's a game changer. Let me tell you what makes it so remarkable. Unlike regular folding chairs, the Plateau Chair can be adjusted in height with a single hand, matching the height of your table and your comfort level. It is incredibly convenient, providing an instant solution for all your seating needs. Whether you are working at a desk, dining at the kitchen island, or even standing while you work, the Plateau Chair has got you covered. It is perfect for any activity from work to leisure and everything in between. Now, let us talk about portability. The Plateau Chair is designed to be easy to carry, making it a breeze to set up and use anywhere you need it. You'll be amazed by how quickly you can transform your space and get to work. So, why settle for the old and bulky chairs for each table when you can upgrade your living space with the Plateau Chair? It is time to simplify your life, save money, and make your space look bigger and cleaner. And did I mention the variety of designs to choose from? The Plateau Chair not only offers functionality, but also style. It's the perfect blend of form and function, designed to elevate your living space. Do not wait any longer. Make the smart choice and say goodbye to excess chairs and hello to the Plateau Chair. Upgrade your living space and embrace a simpler, more convenient, and more stylish way of seating. Get your very own Plateau Chair today and let it change the way you think about seating. Plateau Chair, where innovation and comfort meet. Upgrade your life today.